Good morning, everybody. And I got one of my raised beds done. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Yep. And I think that's going to be plenty deep. So you can kind of see it's kind of wet and gloomy out. It's kind of sprinkling right now. But I wanted to get this done so that you guys can see the real depth of it. So it is about a foot deep, and I'm going to put some of those sticks from the pile over there in the bottom of this to keep organic matter, and then I'm going to roll out this chicken wire to keep the moles out, because we have moles here too. But yeah, that looks so nice. And what's nice about these raised beds is that I will still be able to reach over half of the way on either side. I didn't make them too wide so that I would not be able to reach. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. What do you guys think? Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that, and it looks so nice. Because as you guys can see, our ground is like, when it's dried out, it's really sandy, and there are a lot of moles under this. See how soft this is? There's so many moles in here, and I just want to make sure that my garden's going to have lots of nutrition, you know, because the ground does not have it. So, and to actually put all those nutrients in the soil, it just, I don't have that kind of time. And this is a great alternative to people who have really bad soil like me. So I just love these blocks. I really do. Man, they really just give it a very clean look. And these holes on the top are so that you can put stakes in to hold them down so that they don't move. I just want to show you guys that. Yeah, there's these stakes that you can buy that have two side wings, and it goes straight down in the hole so that you can put them through the ground and keep them from moving even further. But yeah, what do you guys think? I really love these blocks. I mean, I wish I would have known that these blocks existed years ago, because I would have been doing this the whole time instead of wasting my energy in the soil, you know. So yeah, I just love it. I really do. So convenient for those who don't really have a lot of DIY skills. This is a great alternative. And if you don't have a lot of space, you can cut these to however width or length you need them to make really nice raised beds. So, yep, that's what I got done today, guys. So stay tuned. There's more to come. I think I'm going to get maybe 1, 2, possibly 3, depending on the season. And I need to get my seeds started, which I have not. So I'm kind of lagging a little bit. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys that. And I think I have room for maybe 3 more right here. So you can put 1, 2, and then 1 right here. And I think it'll be just fine. Alright guys, we will see you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Thank you.